my friends, welcome back to Nerd Chic. Today I'm doing a box opening of Seagate Backup Plus Hub. This is a 10 terabyte. These guys have been around a little while, and I gotta tell you, they're incredible. I've used them. Some folks have had issues with the smaller drive sizes. With the 10 terabyte, I've been really set. I've had less issues. I will walk you through another video, another time, on what I use these for and why they're important to me. I use them for video and photo backup. Very important to me. But right now I just want to do the box opening. And so anyways, this is a 10 terabyte. I just got the plastic off. Let's get this guy open and let you see inside. And then the other thing I want to say about this before I just open the box is this, what I love about this is they're super easy. They're for either Windows or Mac, so it makes it a lot easier to use. They're really good setup instructions and very simple. You can use them as a time machine backup if you like. You can use them with their software that it comes with, whatever. So anyways, let's get this guy open. It's a little bit hard getting this guy out, which is good. I mean, I have gotten a number of these and they've always been well packaged. See, that's really taut there. Okay, so here's the drive itself. That's the first thing you can expect. Let me get out of the plastic so you can see it. It's really a cool setup. So you've got these two USB ports in the front. It's got a slick piece over it that you can take off. Whenever it's running, this will light up. It looks like this. You can set it on its side, like that, or you can set it flat. I like setting them flat because they can go under my computer monitor, and I can do them. I didn't used to like putting drives under computer monitors because the drive function can actually affect the monitors running. You also have the rescue for a year, so that's nice. And you got all the instructions. I've not had one of these size 10 die on me. Now I have had the other sizes die on me, but the 10 terabyte seems to be a good one. And I'm using it. This is my third one. Okay, let's get this out of here. This is stuck. So the rest of what's in the box is gonna be your cables and stuff. So anyways, as I get that open, goodness, it's packaged a little differently now. Okay, so for those of you who wondered, there you've got your cable and then you've got your US version of the plug, which is nice. But the thing about this one is, and I'll show you how it works, it's really helpful. Inside of here, oh my goodness, a little bit to open today. Inside here, I just pulled this part out. The power cable. You've got this kind of setup right here, which is great because you got interchangeable, depending on your area, things. So this is the US version. So you click it on like that. Or you may need a European version or Asian version of the plug, depending on where you're at. You know, your plugs vary. So you can see you've got this one, and then of course you've got multiple others, 3 other ones. So it really covers the areas better than most plugs. My goodness, hard to get it out. Here's the last one I'll show you. So you can see this thing comes with so many options for your plug attachments, right? So anyway, that's that. That's the plug. And then also, of course, so you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different attachments for areas that you may need it. You know, whatever area you're in, it's got the attachment for it. So that's nice. Also inside the box, the last thing is, of course, your USB 3.0 cable. And I gotta tell you, you wanna make sure you're using a 3.0 connection on your machine because you're missing out on the speed if you don't. But that's it. That's what's inside the box. So again, this is the Seagate Backup Plus Hub, and I want to encourage you, be sure to tune into Nerd Chic, subscribe to our channel, give us some love on this. If you got any questions or anything else you want us to reveal, hit the comments and tell us about it. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, and don't forget, we've got AskTheNerd.net is our website with tons more resources as we grow our nerdiverse.